Hi guys! Welcome back to Living in the Perch. Today, quick tour muna tayo. Did you know that just 4 kilometers away from the Perch and Sand Valley Estates, meron tayong grocery store. Sobrang lapit lang, less than 10 minutes by car, and super convenient for your day-to-day needs. But before we continue with this video, I would like to invite you all to hit that subscribe button and click that little bell so that you will be notified every time we have a new video. So my name is Jen, so let's go! Dalawa kasi ang pwedeng daanan nito eh. Pwede sa kabila, pwede din dito. So may police station tayo dito. May gas station. So meron tayo dito. Meron din tayo ditong McDonald's. And this is the grocery. Okay, so here we are. So itong grocery store na to, it offers everything na kailangan mo. From fresh produce to household items. Living in the Perch and Sand Valley Estates means you're always close to convenience. It's just 4 kilometers away for your day-to-day needs. So kung makikita nyo, itong place na to is packed with options, making it the perfect go-to store for residents in the area. Ito yung mga kailangan natin. Pang lumpia.
Ito na po. Shanghai.
Okay, sige. Kalahati lang.
Kalahati. Thank you.
Thank you. natin ng patis. Patis. So, maliit lang. Kasi di ako masyadong gumagamit ng patis. Or ilan to? Misan yung C2 nyo? C2. Misan yung mga cubes nyo? Cubes. Ito pala.
Wala na sila.
Pork and living here sa The Perch or sa Sun Valley Estates isn't just an amazing view or peaceful environment, it's also for convenience. Everything you need is just a short drive away. Living here isn't just about beautiful homes and stunning views. It's also about the lifestyle. With everything just minutes away, your life becomes so much easier. Speaking of convenience, let me share some exciting updates. We currently have house and lot promotions right here in the Perch and Sun Valley Estates. Okay, meron tayong outright cash buyers. May enjoy nyo yung 10% discount if paid within 60 days. Meron din tayong flexible down payment options. Pay 24% down payment in 3 monthly installments or within 30 days. And you'll get a 5% discount on the down payment. And we also have the balance terms. Pay the remaining balance over 5 years with an 8% interest rate. So this promo is perfect if you're dreaming of living in a prime location like this. So whether you're here for the convenience or naghahanap kayo ng peaceful environment or makapag-invest kayo na inyong dream home, the Perch and Sun Valley Estates truly have it all. Don't forget to reach out to me for more details on these promos. I'd love to help you find your perfect home. Until next time, this is Jen reminding you to live the lifestyle you deserve here at the Perch and Sun Valley Estates, Antipolo. Thank you for watching. Jesus, we trust in you. Mama Mary, we love you.